Most people are damaging their liver without knowing it, but the good news is you can start reversing it today. You don't need expensive supplements to fix your liver. You just need the right habits, and they work faster than you think. I'm Dr. Adam Barron, and in this video I'll show you how to clean your liver fast in a way that actually works. No gimmicks, no trends, just what science says your liver needs to heal and function at its best. Your liver is your body's natural detox system. It filters toxins, breaks down medications, balances hormones, processes fats and sugars, and helps with digestion through bile production. But when it's overloaded from alcohol, processed foods, sugar, or even certain medications, it can't work as efficiently. Then inflammation builds up in the liver, causing fat buildup, fibrosis, and even in some cases, cirrhosis and liver failure. So how do you actually help your liver? You don't need detox kits. You need to focus on removing the root cause and supporting a real lasting repair. Before you add anything, you need to remove what's doing the damage in the first place. That means cutting out or sharply reducing alcohol, sugary drinks, processed foods, refined carbs, and excessive medication use, especially when it's not medically necessary. These are the things that directly stress and inflame the liver. If your liver is constantly under attack, no supplement or superfood will help. You can't fix if you keep feeding the problem. Now let's talk about what you should eat. Certain foods can support the liver's detox pathways and help it recover. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower activate enzymes that help flush out toxins. Garlic also plays a role, thanks to its sulfur compounds that support detoxification and liver enzyme function. Leafy greens such as spinach and arugula may help bind heavy metals and reduce oxidative stress. Berries, especially blueberries and cranberries, are rich in antioxidants that directly protect liver cells. Even black coffee, when consumed in moderation, has been shown to lower the risk of liver fibrosis and cirrhosis. Together, these foods will give your liver the tools it needs to regenerate and function efficiently. Dehydration slows down this process and puts more strain on the organ. Aim for around 8 to 10 cups of water a day, and even more water if you're active, sweating, or drinking caffeine. Skip the sugary drinks and sodas. If you want flavor, go with lemon water or herbal tea. The cleaner your fluids, the faster your liver can do its job. If your foundation is solid, meaning your diet and lifestyle are on the point, then certain supplements may help accelerate liver repair. One of the most effective is N-acetylcysteine, or NAC, a powerful antioxidant precursor that helps replenish glutathione, one of the liver's key detox molecules. Another option is alpha-lipoic acid, which may help reduce oxidative stress and support healthy glucose metabolism in liver cells. Turmeric is also worth considering, particularly its active compound curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that may benefit people with fatty liver or mild inflammation. Milk thistle or silymarin is another popular choice, and it's often used to support liver cell regeneration. Just remember, none of these supplements will make a real difference if you're still doing all the bad habits we spoke about before. Supplements can support the process, but they're not a substitute for healthy habits. Your liver and your gut are directly connected through a system called the portal circulation. What happens in your gut doesn't stay in your gut. It goes straight to your liver. If your gut is inflamed or leaking toxins, your liver is one of the main organs that takes the hit. To support the gut-liver axis, you need to focus on increasing your fiber intake through real food like vegetables, oats, and legumes. You can add fermented foods like yogurt or sauerkraut, which help rebalance gut bacteria. If you have digestive issues, you might benefit from a quality prebiotic and probiotic, but that's case by case. What it comes down to is a healthier gut takes pressure off your liver. If you want to clean your liver fast, focus on what actually works. Remove what's harming it, fuel it with the right foods, stay hydrated with clean drinks, and support your gut. Once you do that, your liver can start healing on its own, often surprisingly quickly. You'll notice a difference in your energy, digestion, and overall health. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. On this channel, I break down health topics in a simple, straightforward way so you can understand what's going on in your body. Just remember, this content is for educational purposes only and isn't meant to replace medical care or personal guidance from your doctor. I'll see you in the next video.